Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I have a very exciting news. That is, my recipe app has launched finally. Yay! So the name of the recipe app is Recipe by YJC. So it's very simple. YJC is YUCa's Japanese cooking. So Recipe by YJC. And the project started 1.5 years ago. And my team and I worked so hard to make it true. Since it's launched recently, there needs to be some small amendments for fixing things. But version 1 is completed, so now you can download and start cooking Japanese home cooking recipes at your home. This was one of my dreams, same as publishing my cookbook. I want to say thank you for my team. So thank you so much. I hope they're watching this video. I hope you enjoy cooking Japanese home meals through my YouTube channel or with my website. But from today, you can cook more easily. At the moment, you can download this app on iOS only. So for Android users, please wait for a while. So to download this recipe app, so at first, please go to the App Store and please type Recipe by YJC. Then please click to download. And after download, you will see the magenta color app on your top screen. And tap. And there's 8 categories. And those are main dish, side dish, rice and sushi dish, noodle dish, soup dish, seasonings, and sauces. So, and sweets and drink. So there are 8 categories plus all categories. So you can check all the recipes. So if you want to make Japanese food, please go to main dish and you can search the main dish. And if you want to make side dishes on weekday to add a little bit more dishes, please go to side dish category and you can find like dashimaki tamago, Japanese omelette, and also agedashi tofu, deep fried tofu recipes. And for maybe on weekends, if you hold Japanese food party, please go to rice and sushi category and then you can see the sushi recipes. Chirashi sushi, it's a garnished sushi. It's very gorgeous sushi. And of course, for rice dish, there are so many easy and simple dishes. Let's say donburi dishes. Donburi is rice with toppings, so it's very simple. So please try that recipes too. Yeah, and for sweets lovers, please go to sweets category. And you will see matcha ice cream recipe and mochi ice cream recipe, and also anko wrapping paste recipes too. Since I started this project, I'm a very heavy user for this app, so I hope you will be the same. And this app is free because I want to introduce more Japanese home cooking recipes to the world. Someday I want to see the world that many people cook Japanese food, maybe 3 or 4 days a week. Maybe it's too much. But yeah, so that's one of my goals and also for my mission. And if you have more questions or recipe request, please always contact me. Okay, now it's time to download the Recipe by YJC. I hope you enjoy Japanese cooking more than before. Thank you. Bye.